What's going on, guys? It's Kyle again with D2M Knives and Gear. Today we have something a little bit different. Something else that I carry on my person all the time is a lighter. I've had some of the electronic lighters, of course the Bic lighters. I've even had the Zippo lighters with the fuel. But I wanted to get another lighter, mainly a Zippo, but I wanted butane. So I have a few packages here today, and I think all of it's here. I've got two Zippos and then a butane insert that I learned about from my buddies Kevin Lefty EDC and Jake over at Bearded Gear. Both of those guys got the custom Zippos for their channel logos. I unfortunately could not do that because apparently the Gadsden flag is a prohibited for doing that, which kind of stupid. It is an American flag, one of the first American flags, and so I'm not sure what the deal was. I went through Zazzle. Don't go through Zazzle. Then I went through Zippo's website directly, and I was actually able to talk to somebody, and they were like, yeah, it's actually licensed. And I'm like, who the hell is an American flag licensed to? They could not tell me. But anyway, I got to figure that out because that's horse shit. But anyways, let's get into these things. So, let's get into the little one here. Like I said, I ordered two. One I think I'm going to like better than the other. Little Zippo. This one is the one I'm not sure if I'm going to like a whole lot, but it is very yellow, of course, with the Gadsden flag. Little black and white American flag, and the stars, you know, super bright. My channel colors are yellow because of the Gadsden flag, but I'm not a super fan of yellow, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, get this stupid sticker. Oh, hey. So it's Zippo, right? American company. This one, of course, is the regular, and one of these are going to get a butane insert, and one of them is going to stay plain. But anyways, there you go. Very bright. Let's get into the other ones. Don't know which one is which. Very big boxes for a little bit of a... the actual unboxing knife, actually, because I've carried it today, is my Quiet Carry Drift, which I am absolutely loving, by the way. Review to come. I've got so many reviews I got to get to. All right, here we go. Here is the butane insert. So we will get into that after we open up the other one. Nice box I can use again. Let's get into the other zip. This one, I think, is this Zippo. If this is the Zippo, actually looks better in my opinion. When I was going to order one, I wanted the matte black with my logo on it. I couldn't really find one that I liked like that. So I ended up ordering one that I think looks pretty cool, but it is a silver in color Zippo. So yeah, much more kind of my speed. No color in this one. It just has the Gadsden flag logo with "Don't Tread on Me" on it. I think I'm going to try this one first to see how I like it. I mean, it's this very, not very shiny. It's kind of more of a brushed finish on this guy. So yeah, all right. Let's open up the butane insert. And I don't think that I actually got my butane out. So I'm going to need to pause for 1 second and go get that. And we're back. So this is just butane you get at the gas station or tobacco store or wherever you get your butane. So let's check this guy out. This one has two kinds of flames. It has the butane torch and then the regular flame. So I thought that was very, very interesting. And let's see if we can put some butane in this bitch. You can tell I'm not really an expert. It's kind of liquidy coming out, and it's cold. One of the reasons the butane is kind of weird to me. You can never, Kevin actually was talking about this when we were talking about these lighters. You can never tell when it's full. So be kind of one of those guessing things. I don't know when this thing is going to be full. We're just going to all right, well, at least maybe it's got enough to actually work. So take the insert out of this one, put in our butane insert, and check to see if it fits properly. Closes good. All right. Ooh, look at there. There is our regular flame. And let's check the butane torch. Oh, there we go. You got to do both. So there's our little butane torch. Woo! All right. That's one heck of a... So yeah, just doing the flick, you got quite a big flame, and you can still blow it out. So the reason that I like the butane torch is because I can push this button. Maybe. God, that's pretty. gonna get my eyebrows. All right, so this isn't working like I really want it to. So you got to let the flame go and then press it. Kind of a pain in the ass. Jeez. And then when you let go of it, it does that. So that's not exactly ideal, but I'll see if I can get used to it. I like the fact that it has the butane torch because whenever the wind is crazy, that's going to come in handy. But that is one hell of a flame. It does have an adjustment, so I think, let's see. Get it out of here. So it does have what looks like an adjustment on there. And it is a very, very tiny little flathead. But luckily for me, I have very tiny flathead in my little wee bit selector. All right. Let's see if we can adjust this and see if it works any better. If you're still here, if you care. You might not care. All right. So it says to the right is to lower it. We're going to go probably about 3/4 of a turn. All right, so there's like nothing. Went a little too far. Go back off, go the other way. No. Nothing. Okay. All right, so pretty small flame. All right, so we're going to take this just a hair more. I think that's pretty good. Jeez. I think that's pretty good. I might back it down just a hair. I'm kind of picky. But these things are not, it's not perfect science, right? We'll try it there. And then, of course, press that, and there's your butane. So, pretty cool. I'm digging it so far. We will see how it works. And, yeah, I don't know if I'll do a full review of these. I just kind of wanted to show you guys my new lighters that I'm going to carry because, I do carry a lighter every single day, and this will be kind of cool to carry around. And, yeah, so here they are, my new Zippos. I might even, if I decide not to keep one, I might even throw one in a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for all the knife reviews that are coming. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So anyways, guys, I love you all. Stay tuned. Stay safe in this crazy world that we're living in. And we will see you in the next one.